Hey, I'm back. Hopefully this video will show what I mean. So if you pay attention to like maybe this or this, really just any of the light colored elements on this faceplate as I move the camera around, you can see that the light causes it to shimmer. Uh, or it has different reflective properties. Now, I know you might be thinking, oh, that's because there's a light shining on it. But even with the flash off, which I can't turn off to show you, but I just use it to demonstrate it more so. Even with the flash off and you're just in person observing this amp, as you move your head around, this happens. It goes from like a bright kind of silver to a dull gray. All of the light colored elements on this faceplate are like that. There is no white paint that I can see. Now, like I said, I'm really new to this. That's why I'm posting. If anyone's ever heard of this or seen it, because this is kind of strange to me. I don't know. I seem to maybe have recalled seeing this on like a blonde or a brown face, but this amp has a lot of 65 parts in it, so it's not even close to being like transitional that I can see. I don't know. But I hope that this video isn't too dizzying and you can kind of see that shimmer effect. It's most obvious down here on this line. But I mean, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh no. This is probably futile. Well, yeah, it's not going to show. And I also removed this nut to demonstrate what I mean about the light colored elements being concealed by it. So like there's a ring around the jack design, like a sort of a light colored ring around the opening. And when you tighten the nut down, you can theoretically scratch that ring. Well, there's nothing to scratch off on this. And you can see that because on the one I've removed, it's exactly the same. And also, while you can't see it, when I see it from this angle, it is very shimmery. But when I move off to the side, it's gone. So, I don't know if this is showing or not. Hopefully it is, and if any of you guys have ever seen this on any Fender amps, I'd love to know about it. Because, honestly, I kind of like the white paint more than this, but this is kind of interesting.